This is my first time learning mountain biking at Revelstoke. Just like in winter, it has a reputation as an extreme sports destination in the summer. But I want to see if that actually is the case. So I'm going to be trying out the Discovery program with the mountain bike school at Revelstoke Mountain Resort. The goal of this program is to introduce you to the sport by building a foundation of skills and knowledge. So we're just getting familiar with being on the mountain bikes here, learning the stances and the feel of the brakes. It's all very new to me, but feeling excited. The plan then is to progress to the techniques of braking, shifting, cornering and navigating different terrain. After a quick safety check of my suspension, it was time to head to the gondola, where it turns out there's an art to loading the bike. By the way, this is Gertrude, our resident mountain grouse. You don't want to get on her bad side. So far the lesson had been super fun and informative, but up next is my first challenge. Oh wow. Oh god. Oh my god. This is called a bum. It's a tight bend that goes round, and you're meant to get really low on the handlebars, sticking your elbow out and riding it through. This bike trail that we're on is a green run called Salad Fingers. Going through my mind here, I'm feeling really comfortable going at the pace that I'm at, and bit by bit starting to gain a bit of confidence. Normally I wouldn't recommend trying jumps on your first time, but the instructor was so good, and I'm not gonna lie, I probably had quite a bit of adrenaline running through me at this point. The beginner package is 2.5 hours long with morning and afternoon sessions available. Prices start at $169, which includes the lift ticket, full suspension bike rental and full body armor, which I think is a really sweet deal. So I want to just say a huge thanks to Sam, our instructor. My overriding emotion coming out of that is feeling like I can go up there and like I want to do it again. And I really enjoyed it, you know, had a smile on my face the entire time, even though I was a little bit tense at a few times. So that's something to take away, is to just relax, especially on those burns. This summer I want to show you guys what living in Revelstoke is really all about. To do that I plan to bring you one weekly video, a really relaxed live stream on the weekends, plenty of shorts, polls and posts to look forward to. So join me for a fantastic summer, guys. Looking forward to it. Thanks for watching.